What's up, y'all? My name is Devin, the DIY lawn coach. Hope you're having a great day. Well, guys, really quick, I want to kind of get into something really important. We currently have a hurricane, tropical storm, whatever you want to call it, forming in the Gulf, and I thought I'd jump on here real quick, make a short video for you guys, kind of breaking down some things that you can do in your lawn to kind of prepare. I know a lot of you guys maybe have seed in the ground and maybe worried about some washout and things like that. I'm going to cover a couple topics really quickly. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. I'll be brief. Let's go. Let's get into the video. All right, so the first thing I want to say before we get too far, too involved in this, your lawn and your home are not the most important thing when it comes to protecting from a hurricane. It's you and your family. Make sure you take precaution, take care of yourself, and take care of your family. Our lawns are replaceable, equipment, all that stuff, all of our things, materials, they can be replaced, but you cannot be. So make sure you guys are staying safe. Make sure you're watching the weather and staying informed on that. The first advice I would give you in preparation for a hurricane in your lawn is to give it a mow. All right, so like most hurricanes, they're getting ready to dump a bunch of water. I know here they're calling for upwards of 10 inches of rain here. So that just means that the lawn is probably going to have an extended period of time where it is wet and getting water, which just means that we're not going to be able to mow as frequently or as often as we'd like. Nothing special here. Just mow the grass as you would normal. You don't need to drop it down. We just want to make sure we're mowing ahead of time so that we don't get caught off guard when it comes to that. So for those of you that put down grass seed or maybe have what I call baby grass that's just kind of come up. If you've got baby grass that's come up, I probably wouldn't worry about it too much. If you just threw down grass seed, I would highly suggest you get some sort of seed covering down. A seed blanket, probably the best option. Lay down your seed blanket, put some stakes in the ground, cover the seed. Grass seed does float, so if you don't have it staked down on the ground, you don't have it covered, the grass seed will float. That's not an option. Try to put down maybe some topsoil or something. Something is better than nothing. If you've got a low area that just kind of water runs, unfortunately, there's nothing you can do. Hopefully you saved some grass seed so that you can go back in and repair those areas. When it comes to newly germinated grass seed or, baby grass, I probably wouldn't worry about it too much. I think it'll be okay. Be sure to inspect your gutters. You would definitely want to make sure that we don't have any pine needles or leaves or anything in those gutters. Check your downspouts as well. Want to make sure that water can freely flow and get water away from your house. Obviously, that's probably the number one cause for flooding is clogged drains, clogged downspouts, and that sort of thing. And then I also want to mention, make sure you come into your drains out into your yard, reach down in here and just make sure that they're completely cleared out, free of debris. We want any water to be able to escape out into the yard where we're not having any flooding issues. Oh, and make sure you turn off your irrigation system. Don't be that guy whose irrigation system's running during a hurricane. You're getting 10 inches of rain. You don't need to be watering your grass. And the last thing is make sure you are securing any outdoor patio furniture. Make sure any grills, grill covers, that sort of thing, trash cans. We're a few weeks away from Halloween, so make sure if you have any pumpkins or any outdoor decorations that those are secure. We don't want those laying out in the lawn and being torn up because the wind's whipping them around. Once the storm passes and the rain has subsided, give the lawn a few days, maybe 2 or 3 days before you mow, just to make sure the ground is firm enough. We don't want to be rutting up the lawn because the ground is completely saturated. But you can go out into the lawn, pick up any sticks, rake up any leaves, pick up any debris that has fallen, because that could potentially smother the lawn. As I mentioned in the open, you are the most important thing, you and your family. So you guys stay safe, make sure you're prepared. Don't worry about the lawn, it'll be okay. It's just grass. My name is Devin, I'm the DIY lawn coach. Hope you guys are blessed, stay safe, and I'll see you in the lawn. Peace.